This is Mr. Shope. I'm going to do problem number 1 in the quiz review. It says find the equation of a line that goes through the point, and we're in this box in this point 4, 4, and it's parallel to the line y equals negative 6 plus 5. Because we have to, parallel means if the lines are parallel, they have the same slope. Okay, that's our principle right there. Parallel lines have the same slope, and I want to use this point in this equation to find our answer. Step 1, we're going to find the slope, or m. So here's your equation right here, y equals mx plus b. It's one of our principles right there. That's called slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. We're going to put the equation for the other line directly underneath there, negative 6 plus 5. The slope is whatever's right in front of x when we have the slope-intercept form. So here the slope's going to be negative 6. Slope is negative 6. And we don't have to change it or do anything because by our principle, by definition, parallel lines have the same slope. So our line is going to have the exact same slope as this line right here, the line y equals negative 6x plus 5. It's just going to have the same slope with a different equation. So now we have to find the y-intercept, or b. Okay, we're going to use this equation, y equals mx plus b, slope-intercept form again, but we're going to plug in things in for x and y. Here's what we're going to plug in for x and y. We're going to use our coordinates up here. Okay, so I'm going to plug 4 in for x, 4 in for y, and I'm also going to plug in negative 6 for our slope. I'm plugging in 4 in for x, 4 in for y, and negative 6 in for our slope. Now I have all the variables in that equation but b, and b is what we're trying to find. So we have 4 equals negative 6 times 4 is a negative 24 plus b. To solve this equation, we're going to add 24 to both sides, add 24, and b equals 28. Okay, b equals 28. So now I have my slope and my y-intercept. Last step is we're going to put those into this equation right here, slope-intercept form. I use this equation in all 3 steps, y equals mx plus b. We're going to leave our y and our x alone, and we're just going to plug in our m and our b that we found in step 1 and step 2. Our m is negative 6, and our b is positive 28. There's our equation for our line that is parallel to this line right here. Thank you.